Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, specialized C-130J for Indian Special Forces. Lockheed Martin has unveiled an ambitious proposal to provide India with a highly specialized variant of its C-130J Super Hercules transport aircraft tailored specially for special operations. The offer comes in response to the Indian Air Force Medium Transport Aircraft tender. The US defense giant is keen to capitalize on the IAF's existing experience with the C-130J, which has been successfully employed by a National Security Guard for rapid deployment across India. Next, approaching next-gen rotorcraft engines, a report. HAL has outlined a strategic approach to rotorcraft engine development, focusing on immediate needs while keeping an eye on future technologies. The company has acknowledged the potential advantages of next-generation engines, particularly those capable of powering tilt-rotor aircraft. However, the associated costs and technological complexities have prompted a more conservative approach for current programs like the IMRH. Next, supply of JF-2 advanced UAVs to Indian Army commences. The Indian defense technology firm Jonet Technology is making significant strides in bolstering the capabilities of Indian Army. Based in Uttar Pradesh, the company has recently completed a training program for the Indian Army to operate its cutting-edge JF-2 unmanned aerial vehicle. The JF-2, touted as India's first fixed-wing hand-launched stealth UAV, is designed to excel in border intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Next, India eyes Japanese submarine tech as defense ties deepen. With Japan loosening the grip on defense exports, a new chapter in India-Japan military collaboration could be underway. While the first potential sale might be a Unicorn naval stealth antenna for Indian warships under a technology transfer agreement, India's true interest lies deeper in acquiring expertise for its ambitious 12-ship diesel-electric submarines Project 76 program. Next, BrahMos manufacturing reaches 70% indigenization. A significant milestone has been achieved in the indigenous production of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, as confirmed by a company spokesperson to Sputnik. The manufacturing process for this potent weapon has now reached a 70% level of indigenization. The BrahMos missile, a joint venture between India's DRDO and Russia's NPO Mashinostronie, has been a cornerstone of India's military modernization efforts. Next, unveiling scale model of Surya NGLV rocket. The Indian Space Research Organization showcased the scale model of its upcoming Surya NGLV, that is next generation launch vehicle rocket, at the National Space Day event in Delhi. During the event, ISRO shared more detailed information about this advanced rocket, highlighting its mission objectives, new technologies and capabilities. The Surya NGLV represents a significant step forward in India's space ambitions, offering enhanced payload capabilities and incorporating cutting-edge technologies. Thank you.